everybody, and welcome to the channel. I am Dr. Goat, and I am going to be starting a weekly car vlog video. Just to have a little fun. I am riding in my 2006 Pontiac GTO that is Procharged, making, I'm not sure exactly how much power, but we are 600 plus horse. And today I just wanted to make a little video on how I got the name Dr. Goat. So to start out this story, I'm going to take you back to 2014. I had a silver 06 Grand Prix GXP that I absolutely loved. Wasn't really into cars, honestly, before that point. And if you know, the Grand Prix GXP has the 5.3 liter V8, the LS4. And yeah, like I said, that car was an absolute blast to drive. I absolutely loved it. And I don't know how, I didn't even know about the GTOs at this point. And somehow I ended up, I can't remember, stumbling upon realizing that there was such a thing as the 2004 to 2006 GTO. So when I found it, found out that they made them in manual transmissions, and that the 04 had the 5.7 liter and the 05 and 06 had the 6 liter. It just honestly to me it just sounded like a whole lot of fun. So, you know, of course I had to get rid of the Grand Prix because I couldn't really afford multiple car payments. Hold on. Boosting, brother. So, like I was saying, I had to get rid of the Grand Prix in order to be able to afford a GTO. Really wanted a Spice Red or the Brazen Orange Metallic. I love that color. And I ended up finding a Spice Red, but I live in Michigan. This was in Virginia. We actually drove all the way there to look at the car. I had already gotten, you know, my loan from the bank for it because I was pretty positive that I wanted it. And the guy I dealt with was actually a really good guy, and the car was in pretty good shape. So there's the story. I ended up buying the car. I wanted a custom plate because I felt so cool, you know, with my GTO. There was only one other one around town at the time. I really wish there wouldn't have been any, but there was one other GTO around town. And, you know, I was kind of determined to modify mine and make it pretty sweet, because the other guy drove his all year round. And if you know anything about Michigan, especially up northern Michigan here, we get quite a bit of snow. And yeah, needless to say, I've never drove either of my GTOs now in the snow. So to get on with it, the whole reason for the plate, why my license plate is Dr. Goat, why that's my YouTube channel name. Straight facts here. Straight facts, guys. My name, if you didn't know, is Dylan Rossell. So, next part of that, the GTOs, if you didn't know, they called them goats back in the day. I honestly can't remember why, but yeah, that's just, they were called a goat. So, making it simple and as uninteresting as it really is, my license plate was really DRGOAT for Dylan Rossell Goat. Like, as simple as that. But, you know, with cruising around town, people seeing my plate, all that, people just, you know, started saying Dr. Goat. Why is it? Why Dr. Goat? And, you know, I've always had to explain that and just say, hey, that's my initials. But with how many times I've heard that, I've just kind of stuck with it and I've learned to enjoy it. So I am Dr. Goat. Plain and simple, just like that. That's how we got the name. I really enjoy the name, and I'm gonna live up to it, and we're gonna have some fun with our little goat. But honestly, I think that's about gonna wrap up this video. I will be posting a vlogging video every Tuesday, probably at 9 p.m. And then I'll be posting just a random car related video every Friday. So that is gonna be my new schedule. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Do you have a custom plate on your car? If so, what does it say? And is it something that people might take a different way than what you initially intended? And as always, please subscribe, guys, and I will see you next time.